everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, finally we get to meet Wodumo and Mampintsha's son, Wodumo. This name Waltola from Mampintsha's mother, who didn't believe ukuthi Babes was pregnant in Ngampela at that time, and she said umithi Spongy. Then Spongy was born. Wodumo guys and Mampintsha got married last year, and they were blessed with a baby boy in June last year. Ever since then they never shared ubuso bomntanabo. Bebemshutha nje bamveze the whole body and his back, but they never shared ubuso bakhe. So as much as we know good banomntwana, but we have never saw their son. But today guys, Mampintsha decided to share on his Instagram page his son, and he said nangu mfana wami ke, and everyone was like, wow, he's so cute, just like her mother. Guys, let's check few comments from Instagram. The first one said kadi nisuke nisifihlela ubuhle obunjena niyaganga nina yazi. Then omunye wathi first time ngibona uSponge waze wamuhle bhakethi uSponge, and omunye uthe size simbone ke uSponge mapontshana danki. Hey guys, cha muhle umntana ka Babes no Mampintsha, I don't wanna lie. We are hoping to see more of him kule season ye reality show ka Babes no Mampintsha uthando lodumo, if I'm not mistaken. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.